Good morning, student. Student, today our topic is the rural life and society in our sub-subject history. In this chapter, we will read about the economic impact of British rule in India. And in this chapter also, we will see some system of land revenue collection, the growth of commercial crops, result of commercial crops in India, and commercialization effect in India, rise of middle class, impoverishment of the peasantry, the peasant revolts, indigo cultivators uprising, peasant unrest in East Bengal, later developments, peasant agitation in Punjab, and the drain of wealth in the last. We have to start our chapter. Yes. Now, the economic impact of British rule in India. The economic policies of British government in India brought about many changes in the agriculture, industry, and trade. These policies had, by and large, an adverse impact on the life of the Indian people. A natural consequence to British rule was economic exploitation of the country. Some system has introduced this time, the system of land revenue collection. Even though the Industrial Revolution was in progress at this time in England, agriculture was the mainstay of Indian and the chief source of income of the government continued to be the land revenue. The British introduced many systems of collecting revenues from the farmers, but all of them were very oppressive. In this series, the first system was the Izaredari. It was during the Warren Hastings time to be introduced. It is also known as the system of auction. Most of the bidders usually offered more than they could pay actually. Here, the bidding of the land is done by the jamidars. Clear? Next was the permanent settlement system. Lord Cornwallis made some improvement over the confusing state of affairs prevailing under the auction system. Lord Cornwallis himself was a landlord of England. The system he introduced in 1793 gave the proprietary right to the jamidars, who became the permanent owner of the land. They were required to pay a fixed amount land revenue to the government every year.